What's up, everybody? We're heading to Pistons in the Park, and today we're gonna go see some great cars and donate to the elderly. We're actually gonna pick up a fan here at Home Depot right now to donate to Pistons in the Park for their car. All right, so we're gonna grab these right here, little box fans, and we're gonna head on to the park. All right, guys, we're here at the car show. We got our fan. We're gonna go donate. Oh yeah, Ethan, check out that cool car. That thing is awesome. So many cool cars, and hey, let's go check out this thing where we donate. It's gonna be super awesome. Wow, look at that. All right, we're having a good time here at the Pistons in the Park in North Austin. The vibes are high, we're having a great time. Everyone's enjoying the SC300. Came say hi. We got a subscriber. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. And if you're ever in Austin, you got to check out Pistons in the Park. It's the first Sunday of each month at Austin Revel here. Austin's Revel. If you've ever been here, it used to be called Austin Parks and Pizza. Check out this thing, Ethan. Look, this is where we donate right here. Look at this thing. It's a giant shopping cart car. Wow, look at that. How cool is that? Pistons in the Parks. The vibes were high. We're gonna give this car meet, because they're donating and all the cars here and the great vibes of everyone, we're gonna give this a 9.8 on the vibe check. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching to the end. We love you guys. Peace.